Hey everybody, Steve Richmond here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Here to talk to you today about the NauticStar 28XS. We're kind of a new dealer to NauticStar, but they've been around a long time. And I tell you, we're really spoiled by some top riding boats like Boston Whaler and Grady White. We've really been impressed with these boats. Boats in this class, sometimes you get a lot of slamming in rough water. You don't get that in the NauticStar. It's a super nice ride. And a nice ride is just not more comfortable for you and your guests, your family, but it's safer, it feels safer. You're gonna go out more often, you're gonna get to fish more often because you're not gonna hesitate just because it's a little choppy out there. One of the neat things too that I like about this boat, it's got a lifetime warranty on the hull, and it's a little less expensive than some of the competitors because of the way they build it. The interior, the rib cage for the hull, where most hand lay those rib cages, this boat, it's a one piece with flotation, dropped in the hull and sealed in there with stuff you need a chainsaw to get it out of there. And that's why you've got a lifetime warranty on it. It's less labor intensive, a little bit less expensive to build the boat, and the system works great. It's still a solid, super solid boat, and it's just a really unique way they've come about building it. Again, NauticStar 28XS, super great ride because of the hull design and a lifetime warranty because of the way it's built. Okay, let's go on board and take a look. On our way up, I want to point out these twin YAMAHA 300s. Of course, Yamaha's legendary, they're unbeatable. The dependability, reliability of the Yamahas is fantastic. The twin 300s on this boat probably makes this about the fastest boat on our lot. I bet this boat will go, I think we GPS'd it close to 70 miles an hour. Amazing engines, amazing performance. Come on up. Two of the other things I really like about this boat is the fishability of this boat. Live well here, another live well at the back, big fish box back here. And so it's very fishable. You've got a measurement on the sea decking on the side. Tow rail, really nice when you're leveraging that big fish, and rod holders that tuck in here. Just makes it a nice boat. 12 rod holders, very fishable. The other thing nowadays, it's not just two guys in a cooler. You're bringing the family, you're bringing grandparents, you might even bring somebody as old as me, and you want to have some comfort. So this has some nice features with the settings. Chair back here, very comfortable captain seat, and then padding up front with a chair in front of the console that holds two people. Fold out backrests. Cushions go here, of course. When you don't have the cushion, you've got more insulated storage. And so that's a nice thing, to be able to bring guests, bring your family. They're comfortable up here, they're hanging out, stainless steel cup holders all around, stereo. You're in the back, fishing your brains out. That's what you're supposed to be doing out here in the Gulf of Mexico. Thanks for having a look, guys. My name's Steve, MarineMax Panama City Beach. My phone number is 850-358-0908. Let's schedule a test drive on this boat.